So this is a setup in the LRC, in the Bustan block. You see the speaker here? The first thing you do when you come to the LRC when you have classes is switch on the speaker. So that's the on button. Click on it and you'll hear a sound. This sound, and when you see the lights here blinking, you'll know that the speaker is turned on. Now you have the microphone, which is actually a wireless microphone. All right, this is the mic, and that's the system that you need to switch on. And what you see here is a receiver. So first, let's turn the receiver on. You have a button there to turn it on, right? Just press till the yellow light flashes up, and now it's completely on. Leave it on the speaker. So this is a microphone. You do the exactly same thing. You see the power on button there. Click it till the yellow light flashes up. Now you have the microphone on. You can test it. Hello, check, check. It's on. This is a wireless microphone, so you can, put it in your pocket. You can even keep it inside if you want, and just keep this on your tie, and you can speak to the students. Make sure you're logged into the computer. Once you're logged in, we have a remote on the podium. Switch on the TV using the remote, and you should be able to see your screen mirror on the TV screen. So that's your TV screen loading up. So this is the TV setup. The screen's mapped. We have the usual projector controller like you have in the classrooms. So you can just switch it on and you'll have the projector cast on the screen here. And pretty much that's it. The speaker, the projector, the screen. Please make sure that you switch off the microphone once you're done. And the batteries are rechargeable. Further, we'll keep changing the battery every morning. And make sure you switch off the screens when you leave. Thank you so much.